Greetings from Desti Travel Guide, your go-to source for adventure advice and travel inspiration. We're going to take an amazing trip around the top tourist attractions in Norway, a country known for its fjords, mountains and cultural treasures. Come along as we uncover the undiscovered treasures and recognizable sights that make Norway a top tourism destination for people all over the world. If you're prepared for the experience of a lifetime, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. So take a seat back, unwind, and start exploring. Oslo. The capital city of Norway is an exciting combination of contemporary and conventional architecture. Take a stroll down the city's historic streets, where gleaming skyscrapers coexist with towering 19th century architecture. Enjoy a leisurely boat trip across the Oslo Fjord, passing by quaint coastal towns and verdant islands. See the world's biggest sculpture park, designed by a single artist, Vigeland Park, which features over 200 granite and bronze statues that depict the human figure in a variety of postures and moods. Bergen, which is enclosed by 7 mountains and has a stunning view of the North Sea, is a city rich in culture and history. Discover the Bergen Wharf, a member of the UNESCO World Heritage List, where vibrant wooden structures dangle precariously over the waterfront. Explore the Hanseatic Quarter's winding lanes, where traders utilize trading products from all over the world. Travel to the summit of Mount Fløyen by the Fløibanen funicular for magnificent panoramas of the city and its environs. Hiking to Trolltunga is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that rewards daring hikers with amazing views of the surrounding mountains and Hardangerfjord. Hike past glistening lakes and across tough terrain, all encircled by imposing cliffs and gushing waterfalls. Reach the well-known rock structure that protrudes above the fjord and provides a breathtaking view of the surroundings. Fjord. With its deep blue waters, verdant slopes and striking waterfalls. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a work of natural art. As you meander along the narrow channels of the fjord, you'll see the Seven Sisters and the Suter waterfalls, which drop off sheer cliff faces into the fjord below. Visit the charming village of Geiranger, where the landscape is dotted with colourful cottages and the culture of old Norway is thriving. Islands of Lofoten. The Lofoten Islands, situated above the Arctic Circle, are a photographer's and outdoor enthusiast's dream come true. Admire the striking peaks that rise dramatically from the ocean and provide a breathtaking backdrop for quaint fishing communities. Discover the golden sand and pristine waters of the beaches at Utklave and Haukland, or climb Mount Reinebringen for sweeping views of the entire archipelago. Pulpit Rock, Preikestolen. With its unmatched perspective of the Norwegian landscape, Preikestolen stands 604 meters above the Laserfjord. Set out on a strenuous journey amid towering cliffs and wide opinions, via serene lakes and through rugged terrain. As you approach the precipice's edge and look down onto the fjord, you'll feel like you're on top of the world. Sognefjord. Sognefjord, also referred to as the King of the Fjords, is Norway's longest and deepest fjord, extending more than 200 kilometers inland from the shore. Travel across its glistening waterways, taking in the picturesque towns, lush valleys and roaring waterfalls. A visit to the village of Flam offers you the chance to experience the world's steepest train line. Oslo Fjord. Along Oslo Fjord's shoreline, uncover a world of maritime history, scenic islands, and undiscovered coves. Set out on a leisurely boat ride from Oslo's harbour, seeing lovely seaside towns and important historical sites along the way. Museum of the Norwegian Glacier. Visit the Norwegian Glacier Museum in Fjærland to embark on a journey into the heart of Norway's frigid nature. Take in hands-on displays that examine the creation, motion, and effects of glaciers on the environment. Admire breathtaking ice sculptures and interactive displays that vividly capture the strength and beauty of Norway's glaciers. Learn more about how the delicate Arctic ecology is being impacted by climate change and how scientists are working to protect these frozen wonders for coming generations. Fjord. Discover the peace and beauty of Fjord, a hidden gem tucked away in the center of Norway's fjord region. Sail over its tranquil waterways, encircled by waterfalls, verdant forests, and sheer cliffs. Discover the quaint village of Flom, where traditional Norwegian culture is thriving and bright wooden cottages border the shore. Take a hike to one of the numerous stunning viewpoints over the fjord, or go kayaking to discover its remote beaches and secluded coves. Fjord provides a serene escape from the rush of modern society with its untainted beauty and unaltered wildness. From the busy streets of Oslo to the tranquil fjords of Norway, this country enthralls visitors with a wide range of experiences. Norway has enough to offer everyone, whether you're looking for outdoor adventure or want to fully immerse yourself in the rich history and culture of its cities. Come us on an amazing journey as we explore the top tourist attractions in this charming Nordic beauty. I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you on another adventure.